Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to delve into two critical concepts in business continuity planning. Recovery time objectives RTO and recovery point objectives RPO are essential elements in the development of effective business continuity plans BCPs. Let's explore what they are and why they are crucial for organizational resilience. Recovery time objective RTO refers to the maximum tolerable downtime for restoring a business process or function after a disruption. It represents the time within which operations must be restored to avoid significant consequences. Importance of RTO. Why is RTO important? Well, it helps organizations define realistic recovery goals, prioritize recovery efforts, and allocate resources effectively. RTO directly influences business continuity strategies and recovery planning. Factors influencing RTO. Several factors influence RTO, including the criticality of business functions, regulatory requirements, customer expectations, and financial implications of downtime. It's crucial to consider these factors when determining RTO for each business process. Recovery point objectives RPO. Now, let's talk about recovery point objectives RPO. RPO defines the acceptable amount of data loss that an organization can tolerate during a disruption. It represents the point in time to which data must be recovered to resume normal operations. Importance of RPO. Similar to RTO, RPO is vital for effective business continuity planning. It helps organizations minimize data loss, maintain data integrity, and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, especially in data-sensitive industries. Factors influencing RPO. Several factors influence RPO, including data criticality, data replication capabilities, backup frequency, and the nature of the business. Organizations need to assess these factors to determine appropriate RPOs for their data. Balancing RTO and RPO. Balancing RTO and RPO is crucial in developing comprehensive business continuity strategies. While minimizing downtime is essential, organizations must also ensure minimal data loss to maintain business operations seamlessly. In conclusion, recovery time objectives and recovery point objectives are essential components of business continuity planning. By defining realistic RTOs and RPOs, organizations can enhance their resilience, minimize disruptions, and ensure continuity of operations during adverse events. Thank you for joining us today, and we explored the significance of recovery time objectives RTO and recovery point objectives RPO in business continuity planning. Remember, setting the right RTOs and RPOs is key to effective recovery strategies. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.